Well, almost 2 years after the pink ball test match between India and Bangladesh, the lockdown happened, and after which, for 2 years, this mecca of Indian cricket, that is Eden Gardens, which was considered to be one of the biggest stadiums in India, not only in India but in Asia, with a capacity of 1 lakh plus audience seating, is open again, wherein a T20 series, the finale of the T20 series between India and New Zealand would happen over here. So almost after 2 years, here in Eden Gardens, which currently has a capacity of 68,000 plus seating arrangement, will be witnessing its international cricket match. Now, the West Bengal government has allowed for the permission of this match. However, they have stated that the seating has to be restricted with 70% of the total capacity. That means 70% of 68,000 seats. What we are understanding is that as the online booking started, almost 20% of the seats were booked, and there is a huge crisis of the tickets right now because no one wants to leave a stone unturned and witness this cracker of a cricket match that's going to happen tomorrow evening over here. However, India has won the first 2 matches, and India would definitely look forward to seal it over here at the Eden Gardens and make a 3-0 champion series over here at the mecca of Indian cricket, which is Eden Gardens. With camera person Prabir Biswas, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.